Well, this may be a familiar sight after some steady snowfall over the last few days. Many are out shoveling their driveways and sidewalks today. This drone video was taken by our very own Ray Petland, shoveling off his driveway this morning, something that many of us will be doing again in the near future. We have some flurries out there now, Kristin, but we're all looking towards that storm moving in on Monday.
I want to see Ray make little shapes with his.
I know, he kept going
drone.
Different directions.
He could spell a message for us now. So he's going to be doing it again. We're all going to be shoveling on Monday, but the question is how much snow and when will it arrive?
And so it depends on where you are.
Yeah,
right?
and it's a tricky forecast. It is. We'll explain. Take a look right now at a couple of flurries, leftover snow showers. These are those lake effect bands, and right now not too heavy in any one area. Portions of Beaver, Allegheny, Westmoreland County, even Washington County getting a couple of these snow showers, and these will stick around off and on throughout the rest of the evening, but no real accumulation. The temperature, boy, is it chilly out there. 20 in Pittsburgh, upper teens in Butler, Newcastle, West Mifflin, Connellsville. We're on our way down to the lower to mid-teens by tomorrow morning, and the wind chills tomorrow will start out in the single digits with high temperatures once again only reaching the mid to upper 20s. We were only there today for the afternoon highs. So let's get through to Sunday night storm. Tomorrow, quiet, just kind of like today, temperature-wise. We may even see a few peaks of sun, temperatures in the 20s. Then late tomorrow night, we have a winter storm approaching. Now, this map shows the probability of getting at least 6 inches of snow or a quarter of an inch of ice. That's when they post a winter storm warning. You can see that areas down around northern West Virginia, Morgantown, and on up into Greene and Fayette counties are looking at about a 50-50 chance of having that sort of criteria with more to the south. So this low pressure center is swinging by to our south. Normally, you're used to storms coming at us from the northwest. This is the opposite. The heaviest precipitation will be to the south. And through the day tomorrow, just clouds building. It's not until after 11 o'clock tomorrow night, closer to midnight, that we even get snow swinging by in our southern counties. And there you see by Monday morning, more snow ongoing south of I-70. So if you look at this model, which is called the graph or the IBM model, we call it Futurecast, you're thinking, well, that's not too impressive. So here's the problem. There are various computer models, and this is another one, the American model or the GFS. It shows that low pressure center tracking through Kentucky, portions of Tennessee, keeping the ice, which is what we don't want, the warmer air with the freezing rain and ice south into southern West Virginia, and then the heaviest snow would be in through northern West Virginia and south of I-70, but it would also extend up to around Pittsburgh. Now we take a look at another very reliable model called the European model. Its variables show that that low pressure center is going to track a little bit further north, pushing some of that heavy snow again into northern West Virginia, southwestern Pennsylvania, but it pushes that warm air a little further north. So if that would happen, some folks could get more sleet and freezing rain and less snow. So what does that mean? Well, this is the Futurecast outlook. You're thinking, well, a couple of inches south, maybe not much to the north, but some of the general other models are showing we could end up with anywhere between 3 to almost 6 inches of snow from Pittsburgh to the south. Areas under that warning down into the Morgantown area, even as far north as Waynesburg, are looking at a few, if not several inches of snow. If you're further north, much less total is more likely. So we'll keep honing in on this through the evening model runs and through the day tomorrow. For now, quiet Sunday, a first alert weather day Monday. It'll be early Monday morning. That morning commute is going to be snowy, if not a little icy. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, still cloudy, mid-20s, and we quiet down but stay cold all the way through next weekend.